My name is Hind. Recently, I finished a workshop about building confidence for women returning to work. To be honest, I was a very shy person. When I meet people, I avoid eye contact, my head always down, and try to hide somewhere.
I was scared that my English is not good enough. I had problem to get out of my comfort zone.
I always struggling with having confidence of talking in front of people or on camera. So this course helped me to overcome these barriers. So I started noticing that so my attitude changed.
I really needed to boost my confidence. The course has changed the way of my thinking about myself, my skills and my potential. I think that everything starts in our minds. Thanks to sessions with Gosia, I started to believe in myself again. It's good to have someone to remind us how remarkable we are, and it's also important to know the tips how to present ourselves and to how to show off how unique we are.
I began my learning journey at House some time ago, but my learning and well-being curve was recently ignited by doing the I Am Remarkable course, and then I did the Building Confidence Back into Work for Women, which has been a really lovely, supportive environment and an exceptionally great group of ladies where we've shared experiences and we've just been generally helping each other.
It helped me to build my confidence by practicing controlling of face expression, body language and eye contact. And now I'm meeting people, I'm making interviews with more confidence because I got all the tools to achieve that.
Hello, my name is Lakramiara, and I want to thank you all, everyone on the course, and especially Gosia for all the support provided. Thank you.
Have you ever felt that you would like to do something new, change your life, but your fears and barriers has stopped you? Maybe have you experienced that your lack of confidence keeps you from achieving your goals? I felt something like that recording this video. I'm Magdalena and I highly recommend you to attend this course. Here you will meet amazing people who will help you overcome your fears, like me today. Thank you.
It would be really good if you could join us on your individual learning journey with supportive staff from House, a very supportive tutor and lots of wonderful women.